Alright, welcome back, 6th graders. First off, I enjoyed talking to Alyssa and Emily. I was hoping I'd get more participation in that, but it was nice to see Alyssa and Emily and see they're doing well. So remember, if you're watching my videos, to please hit the turn in button, do the assignments on them and turn them in. That way I know that you are doing it. Hope you guys had a great weekend, that you're able to enjoy some time with your family, and that you're able to to rest a little bit, not worry about school. Okay, so we're still on lesson 8. We should finish up today and be able to start lesson 9 tomorrow. Okay, so we're on practice activity 2 in our workbook. So we need to read the story, fill in each blank with the best word or words, okay? If you feel like you can do this on your own, go ahead and do that. If you feel like you would like some help and need someone to help you walk through it, and then I will do that for you. Okay, so let's follow along, read out loud with me, and then also reread the story again to a family member or out loud to yourself. Okay, so here we go. On Beth's 3rd birthday, her sister made a big, moist birthday cake for her. Her mom and dad gave her toys, a green shirt, and corduroy pants. Beth liked being spoiled on her birthday. After she ate birthday cake, Beth went to the backyard to play. With a big spoon, Beth dug a road in the garden for her cars and trucks. Okay, so number 1 says it was it her 1st, 3rd, or 5th birthday? Okay, let's go back to read what it says. On Beth's 3rd birthday, okay? So let's put right in 3rd. Right there, 3rd. It was on her 3rd birthday. Okay, number 2 says Beth's sisters made her a green shirt, a moist cake, or a big toy. Okay, what do you think? Let's go back. It says her sisters made a big, moist birthday cake. Okay, so Beth's sisters made her a moist cake. Okay, not a dry cake, but a moist cake. Okay, and then number 3, her mom and dad gave her, we have options corduroy, green, or yellow. Corduroy, green, or yellow. Let's see here. Her mom and dad gave her toys, a green shirt, and corduroy pants. Okay, so this weird word is actually called corduroy. Okay, and they're a type of pants. So corduroy pants, you want to write in there. Okay, number 4. Beth liked crawled, joined, or spoiled. So Beth liked being, let's see here. Beth liked being spoiled on her birthday. So spoiled. Okay, not the spoil like when your food spoils, but spoiled is like when you get lots of things from family members, or your mom and dad buy you lots of things all the time, and you're considered spoiled. Then number 5, Beth went to play in the bedroom, basement, or backyard. Let's continue. After she ate birthday cake, Beth went to the backyard to play. Okay, so she went to her backyard. Right, backyard right there. With a spoon, Beth dug a boy, road, or soil. Okay, with a spoon, Beth dug a boy, road, or soil for her cars and trucks. Okay, well, that's right here. With a big spoon, Beth dug a road in the garden for her cars and trucks. Okay, so she dug a road right here. All right, so we got 3rd, moist cake, corduroy, spoiled, backyard, and road. Okay, if you're able to do that on your own, that is awesome. If not, this is like a really good strategy to help you go back and make sure you understand what you're reading. And we do these in tests a lot. Okay, So this is a really good example. I really like that. All right, where we at? Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, let's do practice activity 3. Fill in each blank with a better word. Like I said, if you can do this on your own, go ahead and do so. And we'll check it when we get back. Okay? So Jeff plans to be a fisherman. Jeff will, we have our options, before or become a fisherman. So let's put them both in and see what they think. Jeff will before a fisherman. No, that doesn't make sense, right? So Jeff will become a fisherman. So circle that and then also write it in here. Okay? Number 2, the storm will make the train late. The storm will, we have delay and defrost. Okay, so let's put them in together. The storm will delay the train, or the storm will defrost the train. Okay, defrost means something's frozen and you need to get it unfrozen. So delay is when you're late, makes it late. And that's what it says right here, make the train late. So the storm will delay the train. I'm gonna write delay. So circle delay and write delay right there. Right, number 3, the test had 3 parts. It had 3, we have word sections or mentions. Okay, sections are different parts, and mentioned is like you're mentioning something, a word or something. So we're going to want to circle sections. It had 3 sections, because it had 3 parts. So circle section and write section right there. And number 4, the dress is too big for Jen. She will need to, we have the word remake or rebake the dress. Okay, so remake, we should know it has to, you have to redo something, remake it. Rebake is you have to rebake something, like a cake or brownies or muffins or something. Okay, so we will put, she will need to remake the dress because it was too big. So circle remake and write it right there. And number 5, the train will leave at 6. It will, you have defrost again and depart. Okay? So that doesn't have anything about frozen right in here, right? So it will depart at 6. So we're going to circle depart. Right, number 6, the cake was very fresh. I like the cake's lateness or freshness. Okay, lateness means that you're always late. Freshness, it means that it was fresh and ready to eat. Okay, so it also has the word fresh in here, so we should definitely know that it's, I like the cake's freshness. So we'll circle freshness and write it in here. Okay, number 7, the stool was next to the desk. It was, we have beside or become. Okay, so it was become the desk. That doesn't make sense, right? So it was beside, because it was next to the desk. Beside. So circle beside and write it right here. And the last one. Doctors and nurses help us keep well. They like to pretend illness or prevent illness. Okay? So pretend is something that's not real, not true. And then prevent, you want to try to stop something from happening. So the doctor and nurses help us keep well. So because they do that, they like to prevent illness. Stop something before it happens. So you're going to circle prevent and write it in here. All right. All right, we will move on to lesson 9 tomorrow. Okay. Please email me or message me on Google Class if you have any questions. And we will talk to you soon. And we'll see you next time.